Alright everyone, this is my guide. This is my guide on how to get a PS5. So today is what? Today is November the 24th. We're just one day away from that beautiful, and I mean beautiful, Black Friday. They call it Black Friday, right? Black Friday. Let's write that down. Right? Keep that in your mind, alright? So this is your brain. It's smooth. This is your brain before you walk in. Before? If you can't read that, that's how smooth your brain is. That's how smooth it is. And then after. You're pretty much just gonna walk in just like... That's your brain afterwards. Yeah, that's after. That's how stupid you are if you can't even read. But now keep that in mind. Black Friday. So you're thinking, well, golly, it's gonna be Friday. Nope, wrong. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. That's when they're gonna like stock out everything. So here's my plan for that PS5. All right, so we have to go through like it's an 8-step process. 8-step, right? So what's the first step? Number 1. You need a Wi-Fi. With that Wi-Fi, you can't even order online. You need that. So your Wi-Fi needs to be built like a powerhouse that day. If your Wi-Fi ain't strong that day, you might as well just say goodbye to that PS5, because the moment the scalpers get on is the moment you're gonna be crying. So I want your PS5. I want your Wi-Fi router to be like that. It needs to be emitting signals so strong that it empowers the entire world. That's how strong your Wi-Fi has to be. That it could power the world. Don't let it power the world, because if it powers the world, you're giving everyone a boost. So just, it needs to be strong enough to power. Alright? But don't let it power the world. That's step 1 of our 8 process. Step 2, obviously enough, get ready. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, get what ready? Get Walmart open, alright? Get Best Buy open. Get Target open. Open up Target. Open up Bed Bath and Beyond. You don't know where they're gonna sell this. Get Sony open. Get the website open. Get McDonald's open. You do not know where they're gonna sell that thing. McDonald. McDonald. Who knows? For the last thing you know, they can be like serving it in a Happy Meal, and you're just none the wiser. You're like, McDonald's, more like McDummies. Boom. Then like a kid opens up his Happy Meals, like instead of the toy, he gets a free PS5, because that's how rich they were after the Monopoly thing. You don't know where they're gonna put this thing. It's a lottery ticket. You might as well just pray. I forgot. That's step 3. Pray. I want you to join every religion. Yeah, it doesn't matter how many. Just join any. And I'm positive at least one of them will just bless you with all his might. This is gonna be you. Oh, please give me help, and then just gonna be. You're like, whoa! You're gonna be like Super Saiyan. That's how much power you're gonna get after everything you joined. Like, whoa! Four. Now you're thinking like, okay, Wi-Fi is obvious. Get ready is obvious. Pray. Now I need to. Okay, now it's pray. Now, okay, fine. It's in. What do you mean it's in? Well, obviously, It's in. If you made it this far, there's no doubt that it's gonna be in. Alright, so it's in your shopping cart. But step 5, do not, and I repeat, do not relax. This is the most important step. Whatever you do, do not relax. It can literally just be in your cart, right? You can be in your cart. I'll give you a visualization. You're in your cart, right? And you're pretty much like at the aisle where like they're selling gum. Yeah. And here's the checkout lady, right? The checkout lady could be right there. And you could literally just be passing it. This could be you. You could grab it in one hand, right? This is your PS5. You grab that in one hand. You can literally put it on this. You can literally move it from there to here. Right, and you're thinking to yourself, wow, it's secured. I have it. And then some dude can like booglasha, and then just grab it. He can just literally just grab it. He can booglasha, run to the next aisle, go to the next lady, and then the lady will be like, did he steal? I don't care. I'm getting paid. All right, sir. Here's your checkout. Boop. And then he just ran away with your PS5. Do not relax. That is a fatal mistake. Unless it says confirmed, and even then when it tells you it's confirmed, do not relax, because they can be like, wow, sir, you're confirmed. Sorry, sir, you're not confirmed anymore. Alright, so just do not ever relax unless it is in your hands. Yeah, those are hands, I don't care. Unless that PS5 is in your hands, do not relax. Because relax will just only cause you stress. So step 6. You fight to the death. Right? You fight to the death. So like after you're not relaxed, you're just boom, wave after wave. You're just punching those bots like right in the neck. Like this is a bot's neck. Bots have like butt chins. Don't judge a bot. He wasn't born that way. Okay, that looks like a mouth. I'll make it a mouth instead. Like bots have like a big old head, so you can like boom, give him the good old uppercut. Alright, and then after all is said and done, step 7. You have it. You have it. You have the PS5. It already said, congratulations. No, we will not cancel that forever. So by the end of it, you're just happy. You're like, oh wow, all this work I put in, I finally secured it. You finally secured the PS5. And then you just cry of happiness. But then you're wondering, 7, what the heck? 7, why is it done? Oh, cry? Oh, well, obviously, tears of happiness, right? Tears of happiness, right?
All around me are familiar faces, worn out